The family of the late Agnes Wanjiru, the 21-year-old who was allegedly murdered by a British Army officer under the British Army Training Unit in Kenya, Batuk, in 2012, told a parliamentary committee investigating the incident that it wants nothing short of justice for their beloved. Agnes Wanjiru reports from Samburu County. Other victims of alleged atrocities committed allegedly by officers from the British Army Training Unit in Kenya want compensation for lives and properties allegedly destroyed during training by the British Army.
Esther Njoki, niece of the late Agnes Wanjiru, allegedly committed by officers of the British Army Training Unit in Kenya, Batuk. They narrated their experiences before the National Assembly Committee on Defense and Foreign Relations in Laikipia County. An emotional Njoki telling the parliamentary watchdog conducting an inquiry into the conduct of the British Army Training Unit in Kenya that the family is yet to come to terms with the horrific murder of their kin 12 years after her body was found in a septic tank at a hotel situated on the outskirts of Nanyuki town.
Saizi tunaongelelea kuhusu komiti, tunyamaze tena mpaka kitu kingine jitokeze ndio tena hii kesi itarudi. Tunauliza ni mpaka lini? Tunataka haki ya Shiro itendeke.
The family of the late Agnes pleading with the committee to bring to book the murderer of their kin, allegedly a British Army officer who at the time was under the British Army Training Unit in Kenya in 2012.
Tumengojea miaka mingi, miaka 12, tumechoka. Tunataka haki yake sasa.
Justice ya Agnes lazima itafanyika, na sio Agnes peke yake, ni justice ya Mkenya yoyote mwingine ambaye atahujumiwa na mtu yoyote kutoka nje ya taifa la Kenya.
Other than the family of the late Agnes, other victims of alleged atrocities allegedly committed by officers from the British Army Training Unit in Kenya, Batuk, including fire victims of the Loldaiga incident that reportedly destroyed more than 10,000 acres of vegetation, want compensation for lives and properties allegedly destroyed during training by the British Army.
Mabomu waliwasha wakalipuka, wakaadhirisha watu, wakakufa hata wanyama. Wakati tumeanza kuulizia hiyo maswali, wasungu wa hii mashamba wakaanza kuwaenda kuwafisha. Wakakuwa wanafanya training kwao, kujaribu kututorokea. Tena ndio hiyo bado wakiwa kule ndani. Ndio hiyo tena bomu bado wamelipua huko ka affect sisi nje.
We would appreciate, this inquiry is not about evicting the British from Laikipia. It's about a more sustainable training. It's about reflecting how this training has been for the past decades it has been in existence, and eyeing for a more sustainable training that benefits the local communities.
Wale maofisa wote ambao watakuja wa Kenya kwa mazoezi ama kuweza kujifundisha mambo ama kutumia ardhi ya Kenya kufanya mafunzo yao na wafanya makosa ama kutoa uhai kwa binadamu yeyote wa taifa hili, watachukuliwa hatua na kupelekwa kotini.
The National Assembly Defense and Foreign Relations Committee will on Wednesday conduct a public hearing for more victims of alleged atrocities allegedly committed by officers from the British Army Training Unit in Kenya, Batuk, in Samburu County. Residents here hope that the much-awaited parliamentary inquiry being conducted by the National Assembly Departmental Committee on Defense and Foreign Relations will not just be a formality, but will address serious atrocities allegations committed by the British Army Training Unit in regards to human rights violation and ethical misconduct. Seth Olale, Citizen TV, Archers Post, Samburu County.